What's up, everybody? Master Fuji here from MasterFujiTech. Today we have a video review for you featuring the Logitech G710 Plus keyboard. This is a mechanical gaming keyboard which features 6 macro keys, media keys, and white LED backlighting. I've been using this keyboard for, I don't know, probably close to a week now, and I think I have a good feeling for what I like and what I don't like. So first things, we'll go over what I like. I really like how Logitech implemented this wheel here. It's actually your volume control, so you roll it up or down to change your volume. It works really good, and the volume actually changes really quick with it. So I really like that. I really like their keys. I find they have the nice tactile mechanical feedback without being too loud, which I really enjoy. And I also appreciate the LED backlighting. But that's where it starts to go a little south. So if we look here at the keys by the enter key, you can see actually that the top of the keys are lit up a lot brighter than the bottom of the key. If you actually look over here at the caps lock, this is a really good example of it. As you can see, the word lock, the bottom of it is a lot dimmer than the top. This is an issue for me just because it drives me nuts. I might be a little nitpicky, but, you know, I'm Master Fuji, and Master Fuji likes what Master Fuji likes, and Master Fuji doesn't like the way the LEDs are laid out. There's only one other thing that kind of irks me about this keyboard, and that is the keyboard without the palm rest. So if you take the palm rest off, I find it very uncomfortable. There's a bit of an edge here, and it doesn't feel right to me. Maybe I type wrong, maybe it's my own issue. But to me, it's a bit of an issue if you don't have a lot of space on your desk for a palm rest, or you have these clips on the palm rest, and if they ever break off and you can't connect the palm rest back to the keyboard, it's really going to be a major issue for me. But other than that, I really like this keyboard, and I hope to have it for a long time. I hope not to break it. It does, of course, have a USB pass-through at the back of the keyboard here, and it actually has its own separate connection here. If my cameraman can zoom in, there we go. And so I've actually connected to my phone to the keyboard at the back, and yeah, I could charge my phone right through the keyboard, which is kind of nice if I don't have any front panel USB left open on my computer available. So yeah, guys, overall, it's a great keyboard. I definitely recommend it. The only things I can complain about, like I said, are the LEDs not being quite even, and the palm rest, if it's not on the keyboard, I find uncomfortable. But as long as the palm rest doesn't break, that's going to be a non-issue, and I could definitely live with the LED issue. It's just a little annoying. Anyways, thanks for checking out the video. Please subscribe. Please check out our website, www.masterfujitech.com. And, yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Have a great one, everyone.